We're here at the booth stand of Pico Technology in Paris, the microwave show, and we're talking with Kevin. Kevin, I must admit, I was a lousy student. We had line transmission technologies, etc., and I must admit this was hard stuff. But it seems Pico has a solution now for that.
We do,
actually
yes.
have a board.
We've got a teaching solution for universities where we've got network test boards to go with our network analyzer.
Okay.
And it has several different circuits on there as an aid to teaching students the basics of network analysis.
Okay. Okay.
So
everything I never understood can be explained through this new
absolutely
test board. Can you show it and what
yes,
it's? Yeah?
Certainly. So this is a test board with our VNA. So we've got a full calibration kit built in on the board. So you can do a very cheap calibration because you don't need the performance when you're teaching.
Yep.
So that cuts down the cost. We have a BT line on there so that you can look at how transitions in transmission lines affect measurements. Then we have filters, attenuators, power divider and an amplifier on there as well.
Okay. And basically this test board will help students to understand, but it's also the information coming from this test board can also be integrated in the design software.
Yes, so the test board was designed using Microwave Office, and to go along with the test board we have a Microwave Office project that has all of the design information in it. Yeah. So the students will be able to simulate theory, and then with our new Wizard interface for the AWR design environment, we can have a one-click transfer from the VNA straight into Microwave Office, and then they can make live comparisons between simulated results and real measurements. So this is the AWR design environment, and this is our new Wizard interface that we've just launched.
Okay.
And basically this allows us to have one-click transfer of files from the VNA directly into the design environment and allow simulation and reality to be compared.
Okay, so that is also one of the new products of Pico Technology.
And it comes as a free of charge piece of software to go along with our VNA.
Okay, excellent. Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you.